I'm about to head on a J right now, so let's go get it. Where's he? Oh, shoot, oh. Let's go, baby. Wait, hold on, shit. We good, we good. We on the J right here. You see what they did? That old machine right there, they took it out. They put the Omni now. The old machine's up by the museum now. So, we got 10 minutes for the J train. We good money. Let's do this shit, bro. We gonna talk while we waiting for the damn train. And that's some shit. Let's do that shit, bro. We gonna talk, bro. We're making this money, so we gonna talk, right? We don't know that. They won't pass me like something wrong with them. Body show. Let's take this jet and let's go get it. Make this motherfucking bread and shit. Know how money is, bro. Where's she phone? So let me tell y'all something. Let me give you a little secret, a little message today, right? I was at Far Rockaway. We worked at Far Rockaway. Very good location, very good safety, you know. But I'm gonna give you a little feedback of what I'm gonna give you results. So Far Rockaway changed up a lot, bro. Like when I was there, I was there for I think it was three years ago. I went to Far Rockaway, and it was barbecuing, a lot of relaxation, you know, a lot of the it was not too much crime around that area though. Like, to be honest with you, it was not too much crime, you know. It was most likely a lot of peace and unity in the area, you know. Now, when I went to Far Rockaway just now, Far Rockaway turning from the hood to residential now. It's not the real Far Rockaway you met, you know. So you just have to understand, like, certain type of areas you go to is not even the real areas you've been. And you're growing up in the area, you can't even see the area no more. The area turned into the residential hood. So it's like, I was there and I got respect out there though, because they know that brothers gotta respect each other. You feel me? It's not about the you know, the gangs and shit. It's about love, you know. All that peace and all that love and happiness in the earth. You feel me? A lot of people don't have that shit because they just wanna fight and don't understand what love is, you feel me? It's like we going through all that shit, man. When you got that respect and love out there, the second train leaving, I think this train leaving in 22 minutes, and this train leaving first. So, yeah. Like you got all the love and everything and the happiness and all that. I just feel like we don't have that here no more, you know? The era changed up a lot. Feel me? What the fuck? Oh, this train. Oh shit. Homeless people sleep on the train, bro. Nah, bro, let me stand here. Nah, I'm waiting for the next train. Nah, bro. There's homeless people on the train, bro. Yeah, like I was saying, like it's a lot, bro, going on. You know? But you try to relax and make it good, you feel me? We go right here. I think it's a good space to chill and relax and shit. Yeah. So it's well, that's some shit, bro. Waiting for this train to depart, and then we gonna